Latest from RobotFX: important news impacting currency trading. Australia's manufacturing sector showed no sign of recovery in April, with the AIG Manufacturing Index remaining unchanged at a DP negative minus 27.9, matching its March 2026 reading. The flat result signals continued contraction in activity as levels below zero indicate worsening conditions in the sector. The stability of the index at such a low level suggests that the pressures weighing on Australian manufacturers in March persisted into April rather than easing or intensifying. With no improvement registered month-on-month, the data points to an industry still facing a challenging operating environment. The latest figures were updated on 5 May 2026 and will likely be closely watched by policymakers and market participants for signs of whether this prolonged weakness in manufacturing could spill over into broader economic performance in the coming months. Unique stair-step trend trading with the stair-steps expert advisor. Innovative approach for consistent results. Learn more. The material has been provided by robotfx.org. Thanks for reading. Enhance your strategy with proven RobotFX tools. Check them out.